Introducing the Wheel Cleaner from SurLuster, your go-to solution for safely and effectively cleaning your wheels. Formulated without strong liquids or compounds, it's safe to use even on delicate wheels. The rich foam is the key to its cleaning power, gently enveloping and removing dirt. And with the included sponge brush, designed to clean even the smallest areas effectively, you'll achieve professional results every time. But how do you use it? Rinse off dirt such as mud and dust with water. Spray the entire wheel to ensure even dirt removal. Gently rub off any stubborn dirt with the provided sponge. Thoroughly wash away lifted dirt with plenty of water. Wipe off any remaining moisture with a dry, clean cloth. But always keep these precautions in mind. Test in an inconspicuous area before use. Avoid vigorous rubbing to prevent scratches. Rinse thoroughly to ensure no residue remains. SurLuster's Wheel Cleaner, the safe and effective choice for your wheels. Try it today!